are you? I am fine. And you? Same to you. You are looking a bit upset. Why? Nothing, I am just thinking about manners of some young people. Some are good, others are not. Good manners are very essential both for the boys and girls. These do not cost anything but are valuable for social relations with others. Good manners help a person in winning friends and admiration. I firmly believe that good manners make a person civilized and cultured. A person without manners will always remain savage and uncivilized. It is very necessary that children should be taught good manners. 3-mannered children bring bad name to their parents. Sometimes even children belonging to rich families do not possess good manners. Therefore, it is very necessary that parents and teachers should teach good manners to the young children. Good manners are based on courtesy and politeness. Use of polite word like single quote, thank you, please, sorry, etc. can create a very good impression on others. Although these cost nothing, yet they have a favorable impression on others. Even when you have to say no to other persons, we should say it in a very polite manner, so that their feelings are not hurt. We should always respect the feelings and opinions of other people. We should neither criticize their religion nor point out their personal defects. While talking to others, we should also be good listeners. While sneezing or coughing, we should always put the handkerchief on our nose or mouth. We should also show consideration to our elders, ladies, and the sick persons. Similarly, we should not brag about our achievements in the company of others. Great men are always humble and simple. We should not be jealous of the achievements of others. Nor should we criticize a person in his absence. Goodbye. Bye.